to the channel. So about a week ago, I mentioned as far as, my next upcoming engine bay modification. And I just want to say huge congratulations to the winner. Now, multiple people guessed what it's going to be, and I have it here down in this box, which I'll be getting to the DIY in the next day or so. But a lot of you guessed the same one. Sorted it from newest to oldest and then went all the way down. The first person that guessed it obviously is winning. So I'm gonna reach out to you so that way we could set something up, and I'm gonna send you something in the mail. So now what my new modification is for the engine bay is a complete M3 cowl swap. This is a full kit. So I decided to go through FCP Euro, of course, just because I get all my parts through FCP Euro. But just, you got to get the lifetime replacement guarantee, of course, the things. But just going through the box here, just so you guys can see. Now this is going to be the full replacement cowl, all right? So it comes in 2 pieces. And this is what makes this swap a lot better. It just frees up more engine bay space. And if you already still have the stock cowl, like I still have, you always have to take it off for a lot of different things. Now, I was planning on doing this install years ago, but something came up. The seller I was trying to get it from never sent me the product. So it was this big ordeal, and it was something that I was wanting to do at that time. And it just, everything else got in the way, and then I started doing other modifications, other DIY videos, and I never got back to it. So I'm happy to be back to it here now. This is your rubber trim piece. It's gonna be your other cowl cover. Of course, you have all the charcoal filters. So you have 4 total, 2 on each one. They just slide in little slots. And once I do the DIY, it'll make more sense. You got your other cowl piece that attaches here. This is where the filters go. So there's your cover. And then both filters, so 2 on each side. Then your other main piece here. Like that, and then you just have your additional bolts. That's really it. So you got your 2 main pieces for your cowl, your 2 covers of your cowl, 4 different filters, so charcoal filters, and then a weather strip that goes along the back there. I'm gonna replace that, and then of course the screws, detach it all. Well, I'm looking forward to get this DIY going, and then, like I said, congratulations to the winner for the first guessing it, and thanks again, guys, for guessing it as well. I mean, I can say there's probably 10 to 15 people that guessed this very same mod. So kudos to you if you've been around for the channel a while, because I have talked about it in a lot of older videos, but I never really had any newer videos on this very same topic. So it's gonna make the engine bay look that much cleaner, and looking forward to the install here coming up soon. All right, everyone, thanks again. A big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Hope you guys have a great rest of the week. Take care.